Hello and welcome to Design by Geeks. Today I will be showing you how to assemble our Snowman gift card holder SVG design. These are so cute for Hanukkah or Christmas and are very easy to assemble. Start by cutting out all of your pieces on your cutting machine. There's going to be the gift card holder, the nose, the little pieces of coal for the face, and 3 pieces for the scarf. One note when you're cutting out your scarf on your cutting machine, make sure to space the 3 pieces out on your software so that they're not right on top of each other when you cut them out. Some cutting machine software will do this automatically, but if yours does not, then you'll need to do that manually. So you're going to begin by pre-folding the holder along the score lines. And then you're going to place glue on these 2 side flaps. And then fold it together. You just want to apply pressure until the glue kind of holds where it doesn't pop back apart. So this is going to be the front of your holder. The side with the notch that has the pocket for the gift card, that's going to be the back. Next, you're going to glue the face onto the gift card holder, and you want to glue it at the top, so the top end is the top with the notch. And you want to stay within about the top half to a third of the gift card holder because you want to leave room for the scarf at the bottom. So kind of keep the face up in this kind of top third section or so. When you're putting down the glue for the eyes, try and keep them evenly spaced where they are in the middle. Now last is the scarf, and I love using a patterned paper for the scarf. I think that looks really cute, but it also looks nice in plain paper as well. The scarf is in 3 pieces. The longest piece is going to be the part that goes across the neck, and then the other 2 pieces are the tails. The curved one, the one with the curve at the top, that's going to go in front, and the non-curved one can go in the back. So we are going to start by gluing our tails to our neck piece. So I'm going to glue the back tail first. And I just glue that behind the neck piece. I'm aligning it to the top. And then I'm going to glue my top piece. And I like to have it be a little bit staggered, so I usually have it stick up just a teeny bit from the neck so that it looks like it's kind of looped over, and it's staggered from the other tail. Like I don't put it right on top, I offset it just a little bit. That kind of gives it a more 3D dimensional look, kind of makes it look a little bit cuter that way. And then I only glue it to the neck piece. I don't glue it against the other tail because that way I can curve it out just a teeny bit if I want, which kind of makes it look a little bit more realistic. All right, so now that the scarf piece is assembled, I'm going to go ahead and glue it to the gift card holder. So I'm going to place glue on the back, and I'm only going to place glue on the neck piece and the back tail piece. I'm not going to place any glue on that front one because, like I said, we want that to kind of stick out a little bit. So we just align that where we want it to go and stick it down. Now your snowman is all done. Just slide a gift card into the pocket and give it away as a gift. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.